Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by removing the strap and laying the watch on a clean pad. Use a 2mm screwdriver to open the case back carefully. Locate the stem release screw or plunger and pull the crown to the time setting position. Press the release and gently extract the stem straight out. Place a 0.5 mm dial protector on the dial to prevent scratches before you touch the hands. Work in a well-lit area to avoid slipping or misalignment. Place the movement into a movement holder with soft jaws for secure support. Adjust the holder so the dial sits flat and the hands are level. Fit a 2-prong hand remover tool and set the prong spacing to about 1.2 mm for most minute and hour hands. Position the tool so both prongs contact the hand base equally and parallel. Apply even upward pressure while keeping the tool perpendicular to the dial surface. Lift the hands straight up without rocking. Begin removing hands in this order: hour first, minute second, and seconds last. Stand the tool over the hour hand and lift it gently off the cannon pinion. Repeat the same perpendicular lift for the minute hand with the prongs centered on its base. For a friction-fit seconds, hand use a fine pusher and steady upward pressure while avoiding sideways force. Place each removed hand onto pegwood or foam in labeled positions to prevent loss. Reinstall the stem only after hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.